Okay, girls, today we are going to talk about the last two types of electromagnetic waves in the electromagnetic spectrum, X-rays and gamma rays. You remember them? Let's start with X-rays. X-rays have smaller wavelengths than ultraviolet. Yes, we know that. The sentence use X-ray guns. So, ultraviolet, X-ray, gamma rays. So, smaller wavelength. X-ray, they have shorter wavelength than ultraviolet. How X-rays produced? They are produced when high-speed electrons stopped by a metal target in an X-ray tube. Guys, now this process, I will not ask you about it and they don't ask about it in the exam. Just I put this picture for the girls that like to know more how X-ray produced. For you, you have just to know this paragraph. They are produced when high-speed electrons are stopped by a metal target. So here the X-ray produced. Okay? Now what are the dangers for X-rays? Body cells can be killed by high doses and made cancerous at lower doses. So it is dangerous in all time. If lower doses, it make cancer. High doses, what it make can kill the cells. Okay, that's why always the people that work in hospitals with X-rays, what they have to take a lot of precautions and take care while dealing with X-rays. Okay? Where do we use X-rays? For sure you know. Look here at this picture. Look here at this picture. They are widely used in the industry and medicine to detect broken bones. Why? Because materials such as bones and teeth and metals, X-rays, they do not pass through them easily. That's why so we can see. It can pass through our skin, but it cannot pass through the bones. That's why we can see the bones inside our bodies. And also they are used in security machines at airport for scanning luggage. Okay, these are the two uses for X-rays. That's all for X-rays. Let's talk about the last electromagnetic wave in the electromagnetic spectrum, gamma rays. Now, gamma rays are more penetrating and dangerous than X-rays. Now, we said X-rays, they are dangerous. They cause cancer or they can kill cells. Now, gamma rays, they are more dangerous than X-rays. That's why they are used to kill. They are always focused on cancer cells. They can kill cancer cells and also they can kill harmful bacteria in food and on surgical instruments. These are the uses for gamma rays: to kill cancer cells, to kill harmful bacteria in food, and on surgical instruments. We use to sterilize things by killing off the bacteria, like surgical instruments and bacteria in food. Okay, that's all about gamma rays. So girls, now we're done with our tour in the electromagnetic spectrum. I hope that you enjoyed this tour with all the electromagnetic waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. Rich men in Venus use X-ray guns. Girls, look here please a little bit. Let's make a quick revision. We said the order of them from the longest wavelength to the shortest wavelength, from the lowest frequency to the highest frequency. Here, the first two because they have low frequency. Where do we use them? We use them in communication. The last two or the last three, they are what they cause damage to our cells. Don't forget gamma rays and X-rays and also ultraviolet. You remember when we said if you stay under the sun for a long time, what happens to you? It may cause cancer to the skin or sunburns, right? X-rays, we said it's not good. It can kill cells or it can what? Cause cancer. And gamma rays, very harmful to our body. Okay, girls? And don't forget to memorize the visible light, the colors in the visible light in order. This table summarizes all the uses for each type of the electromagnetic spectrum. After you study, after you understand, try to memorize this table because it will help you. The last thing, girls, I want to tell you about here, something about energy. Now, we said that the electromagnetic waves, they carry energy from place to another through vacuum and through air or materials, different materials. Now, they don't carry energy at the same rate. Some of them, they carry or transmit high energy, and others, they carry or transmit low energy. You have to know which one carry high energy, which one carry low energy. At the beginning of the electromagnetic spectrum, radio waves and microwaves, they have what? Low frequency. Low frequency, it means low energy. The end of the electromagnetic spectrum, they have the high frequency or the highest frequency and also the highest energy. Don't forget, okay? Radio waves and microwaves, we use them in communications. They are not harmful. They have long wavelengths, low frequency, low energy. Gamma rays and X-rays, they have high energy. They have high frequency. They cause cancer. They can kill cells because they have high energy. Okay? Great. Let's solve this example together. Name one type of electromagnetic radiation which causes suntan. Which one? For sure it is ultraviolet. B is used for satellite communication. Which one is used for satellite communication? Microwaves. C is used to sterilize surgical instruments. Now we just talked about it. Gamma rays. D is used in a TV remote control. Which one used in a TV remote control? Infrared radiation. E is used to cook food. Now, here you can answer it with, we have two answers for this question. Microwave and also infrared. Remember we said about infrared that can cook food and also microwave. The last one is used to detect a break in a bone. So easy, it is X-rays. Okay? Girls, let's here together go to this simulation. Okay, guys, look here. What do we have here? The electromagnetic spectrum. Here, wavelength, frequency, and here, energy. Look where I am. Now I'm here, the radio wave. I have long wavelength, low frequency. Look at the energy, very low. I start to move it until I go to the microwave. Look what happens here. The wavelength starts to decrease, frequency starts to increase, and energy also starts to increase. I want to go to, for example, X-ray. What happens? Look, wavelength decrease more and more, frequency increases more and more, and the energy also increases. Look at the end, gamma rays. How it has high energy, high frequency, short wavelength. Okay, great. The last thing I want to tell you about is the last thing I want to tell you about is this video. Please try to watch this video today. It will help you a lot in understanding the whole lesson. It's an amazing video. That's all, girls. I hope that you understood everything in the lesson. Study the lesson well and good luck, girls.